How to use the methodology filter in the PsycINFO database. PsycINFO provides many options for searching and filtering your results. After you have entered the keywords into the search fields, scroll down to the filter options and from the drop-down menu, select Methodology. A long list of different types of studies and methods will be listed. For this example, select Empirical Study. Then back up near your search terms, select the large Search button to see your results. You can see the total number of results on the first tab. Down the left side, there are several options to further filter your results. One of them is the methodology filter, and you can see here that all 80 of the results are empirical studies. Other methods that were used in this set of results are also listed. You can further confirm the methodology of a particular article by selecting an article title. And scroll down through the metadata to the methodology where you will see empirical study listed, as well as other methods that this study used. Then scroll back up to the top of the article and select Full Text from Publisher or Find Full Text to access the full article. If you need more help, visit us at the Ask Us desk or contact your liaison librarian.